right. Just watch me.
Begin!
Huh?
The winner is my guy!
What was he doing?
Do your best! Go! Kakashi! You passed the tuning exams on your first try! Kakashi, you're amazing! Right, Obito? Obito?
Look at me! There's nothing in my heart. I don't feel pain any longer. There's no need to feel guilty, Kakashi. This hole was opened up by this world of hell. I only had pain inside here before. But really, what's the meaning in that? So I abandoned it all. Meanwhile, you have suffered all this time at Reen's grave. And mine as well.